You can unlock your iPhone with your Apple Watch if you're using an iPhone X running iOS 14.5 or later and an Apple Watch running watchOS 7.4 or later. Here's how to do it. First, make sure your Apple Watch is paired with your iPhone. Both your Apple Watch and iPhone will need to have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. Next, ensure that your Apple Watch has a passcode and wrist detection is turned on. Your Apple Watch will need to be on your wrist and turned on. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Face ID and Passcode, and then type your passcode. Scroll down to Unlock with Apple Watch and turn on the feature next to your watch's name. To unlock your iPhone, wake it up by raising it or tapping on the screen.